Hi guys, welcome back. I know it's kind of a bittersweet. I do hope you guys had a really good time on spring break. I know it wasn't the same. I definitely missed. I usually go see my family and couldn't do that, obviously. But we did have like a family game night and virtually, of course, and that was a lot of fun. All right. So, some things I'm changing about the class to go over today. Zoom office hours. I'm just not getting a whole lot of people that are taking advantage of them. Um, Remember, it's just there to help you. I know if you're not needing the help, you don't need to get on. But I know some people do and just aren't using them. So, anyways, I'm going to go down to 2 days a week from Tuesdays and Thursdays from 2:30 to 3:30. Um, just not getting enough to do it every day. But that doesn't mean I won't do it every day. So if you send me an email if you need some help and you don't want to wait till the next office hours, I'll set something up with you and that's not a problem. Okay. And just while we were talking about office hours, I've been emailing you because I haven't really showed you on video, but I'm going to show you now and make sure you know. When you go to your Clever homepage, that this is not on, and you click on, you should have all your teachers up here. If you click on my webpage and you click here, this is what takes you immediately to my Zoom link. So I'm not going to send the email. You just go click this, okay? And that takes you into my waiting room for office hours or anytime that we set up a Zoom link. All right, so that is the first thing. The other thing is that I am bringing back learning logs. So obviously they're going to be different because we're not really doing a notebook right now, but there's a couple of reasons I want to bring them back. First of all, I think it will help you stay organized with what I'm assigning for the week. And it's a way for me to make sure that you're checking on the comments that I leave on your graded work. So it's going to be just the top part is the same like it was before, the part that you hate, which is 2 things that you learned. I still want you to show me that you're learning stuff as we're doing this remotely. Okay. The next part right here, these I'm going to do for each week. These are the assignments. So these are the specific things. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And the first thing you need to fill out is, did you actually do the assignment or not? So if you did the assignment, you say done. Let's say maybe like Tuesday, you never did Tuesday's assignment. Just say not done. I'm I'm not really penalizing you here for that. I understand. We're all working at our own pace. I just want to know. Okay. And then I want to know what point value you got. Say like you got 6 out of 8. Okay. And then this is the big one. I want to make sure that you're looking at my comments that I'm leaving you, because that is how I am being able to communicate with you, whether you're learning the material or not learning the material. So, and I do not mind if you're going and copying and pasting. So, like, this is my document that I kind of use as my comments and then copy and paste them into your work depending on what we're doing. So say I left you that comment. You're only supposed to pick one answer in that last question. You picked more than one, right? Or more often I'm saying some other things. But if I don't say, like I didn't leave you a comment, say none. So that's all you have to do for each day. And then down here is only if you are behind or did not get any of this work done, you're explaining that down here. So like either why did you get none of the work done this week? Is there something that happened that I understand that? Or if you're behind, I'd rather you work on the late stuff than the current stuff. So tell me what assignments you did and like any feedback you got on any of those assignments. It also might help me make sure that I'm grading what's getting turned in. Okay. So that again, I'm giving it to you today. You could do it throughout the week and then you won't have any work on Friday because this is going to be Friday's assignment. Or you do it Friday and it's due next Monday morning. So, okay. So there's that. All right. Oh, a last thing on this catch-up slide is that I just messed up. I've switched the grade book. I don't want you guys worrying too much about the letter grades right now. I left him as a percent. So those of you that really do care and really want to make sure you have your A plus, I left the percents still the same because I am grading everything with point values, but I changed it to pass fail. Um, we are in an interesting time. Not everybody is having equal access to be able to get on a computer and no internet, Wi-Fi. I don't want you stressing about letter grades right now. More importantly, I just want you learning. So learn this stuff, read my comments, do what you can, keep moving forward, and that's all we can all do. Okay. So which brings us to today's assignment. Today I have a quizzes link in Google Classroom. It's just to review, kind of refresh your memory of what we were learning about, see what we remember from before spring break. It's not going to be like a quiz grade, so don't stress out too much. I'll give you some review if you want some review real quick. And then my other thing is just make sure that you looked at your Aries. I have gone back and just randomly looked in Amplified, see if anything got done, and I've updated everything I know so far. So if you think there's a mistake, let me know. Right? So quizzes, if you're freaked out, you want to get a good grade, there are 16 questions. I'm going to pull up some things in Classroom that would help you. All right, first thing I'd pull up, if it was me, I'd go to pull up my copy of the Chapter 1 focus notes, right? Like this. It's going to, that's the key stuff, right? And the only other thing that's on there from Chapter 2 stuff would be this properties of wave stuff, which was in that document, but it was also in the Chapter 1 slides. Let me go back to our calendar, Chapter 1 slides, if you wanted to look at any of this stuff. So obviously Chapter 1 has all of, it might be in Chapter 2. Oh gosh, you guys have to bear through this. Me trying to figure out, yep, Chapter 2. So these Chapter 2 slides that had the more stuff on waves. Remember, some of us struggled with this concept a little bit, but those are the two big things that are on the quizzes today. So here's the quizzes, light waves review. It has the same picture from our Amplify. This is what I want you to be answering today. Okay, link is in Google Classroom. Let me know if you have any questions.